Within the week, I've been able to test a lot of tools and I've come up with this unique tool that allows you to use Seedance 2.0 Grok AI and other models for free and unlimited that you can keep using to generate your videos and your images for free and unlimited. Sometimes now, some tools promise you to be unlimited and free, and when you end up generating just one video, they lock it and it becomes a paid tool. Jump on these tools right now that they are still free. And guys, without much ado, let's go. The very first tool we'll be looking at is try VEO3 AI. Now guys, let me show you what this platform is capable of doing and some of the top models on this platform and how much credit each of these models consumes so that I can start using it for free and right now. Go ahead and click on it and open it. Now once it comes up to this interface, right, it's going to present to you this kind of interface. You're going to see try for free, and if you click on try for free, you'll be required to log into the platform so that you can literally start generating using this platform. So I'm going to mute this sound. Now for us to generate, you have to sign into this platform, and let me walk you through step by step. All right, now go ahead and click that you are human. This to confirm that you are human and you are not a bot. All right, so once you're done signing in, beautiful, it has been signed in successfully. Now if you go up, you're going to see the default module is VEO3.1, right? Now if you look down, let's go and see how much credit this costs in generating. And not just that, let's see if it's text to video or image to video. Now this is text to video and here is image to video, and image to video will cost you 10 credits to generate, and text to video will cost you 10 credits to generate. And literally this platform gives you free credit of 20, so you have 20 free credit at any time using any module. Do you understand? So let's go. So now text to image, text to video and image to video, the same 10, and then reference to video to the same credit, 10 generation. So what you need to simply do is just to select the one you want to use, right? If it's text to video, image to video, paste or prompt, go ahead and go down. You're going to see aspect ratio of 16:9. Now if you select 9:16, this is for pro. Okay, now 16:9, that's the landscape, is free, and you can see here everything is cool. You can go ahead and hit generate. Now if you are not satisfied, you can, if you want to use image to video, upload your image to video, right? This is upload image, add your reference and all of that. Then once you come here, you select the same aspect ratio and then hit generate 10. Now you've seen VEO3.1. Now the next thing you need to check is other models on this platform. So go ahead and click on this platform. Okay, let's see what Grok AI costs. Now look at Grok AI. Grok AI gives us access to just 4 credits per generation, 4 credits, and this is insane, guys. Up to 6 seconds, right? So what you need to do is you have text to video, image to video, and start creating. Upload your image here and paste your prompt and click generate. All right, so that much said, let's go ahead and upload a video and then let's do this. Okay, so guys, I've been able to upload my image. Okay, I brought in my image and I dropped the simple prompt. Everything is said. Don't touch any other thing here. Just use normal 480p and 6 seconds. Every other thing is amazing. Okay, so everything is in order now. Now it's going to utilize the aspect ratio of the image that you are using. So if you are using a landscape, it's going to give you landscape delivery. So let's go ahead and see how much it's going to cost. So hit generate, and of course it's generating. Now it will start generating automatically, like you can see here. So let's wait and see the quality on this platform, guys.
As you can see, this is using just 4 credits per 6x generation.
So if you're cool with this, what you need to do is to go ahead and click this download, and it will be saved into your device or your mobile phone. And take note, this method works perfectly well with your mobile phone and your PC. So try it out, guys, and let me know the feedback in the comment section of this video. Text to video using Grok Imagine proper, so that I can show you the Grok extension feature, how to use it. Okay, so now go ahead and paste your prompt. Now this prompt, I generated it using ChatGPT. Set everything is set, then change this to normal. Okay, everything is okay. Go ahead and hit generate. Now remember, this is just 4 credits. Now guys, our video is ready.
Everyone believes the throne is my destiny.
You're high worse than it's you.
Awesome. So guys, that is
Everyone believes
This is like our scene one, okay? Now, one way you can literally use extend feature here excellently well to achieve your result is take a screenshot of the part that you feel is going to be seen, like the key actor of your script. Okay, so let's say this is the major actor, these two, right? Now it has shown the two face. Now what I need to do is to take a screenshot of this, or you drag it to this end. Here is a screenshot, but it doesn't show anybody's face, right? Depending on your script. So I really need this face to show. Okay, so once you've taken the screenshot of this, right, save it to your mobile phone or to your PC. Now, alternatively, you can either use here, right, or you use here extend feature, right? Now, this extend feature works both in your text to video and image to video. Watch. Now, if you click this extend feature, it's going to bring down this box, extend video, for you to paste your scene to my script. Now, watch this down part. Where do you want the video to start extending from? Okay, so for me, I'm going to drag it to this to the end, okay, so that it can give me what I'm looking for. I'm going to go ahead and paste this so that from the last frame, it can pick it up from there, right? So once everything is cool, you don't have to set anything again. What you need to do is to go ahead and generate, and it's still going to cost you 4 credit. All right, now once you do that, go up, you're going to see the video will start generating. Right, so the second scene is up to 12 seconds. So watch this.
Everyone believes the throne is my destiny.
Your High West, and it's you. Your Highness, we are not alone.
So guys, you can see that, right? So this is how you use a stem feature. If you have scene 3, okay, you use the stem feature and continue from there. Was that helpful? Let me know in the comment section of this video. Head over to our image to video. Okay, let me show you that image to video extend feature quickly. So once you switch to image to video quickly, just cancel this part so that I can upload the screenshot, okay, we took. The screenshot is here, right? For our first scene, I'm going to paste my script for the first scene. I'm going to paste my prompt for my first scene. And you can see my prompt is ready and my image is also ready, okay? And of course, I'm still going to use the same aspect ratio, so include it in the script. Go ahead and hit generate. Now to start generating. So our video is here, right? Our scene 1. This is not extended.
Everyone believes the throne is my destiny. Your Highness.
Highness, again I will stand a tree.
Now, for me to extend it to get my consistency, because I want these two individuals to appear in my scene 2, okay? If I don't have their images, it's very simple. Take a screenshot of these two together while their faces are shown very well. Alternatively, you can literally drag it to the end and then we click on this extend feature and then paste your scene 2 prompt here and hit generate. That is how you are going to get extend feature. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section of this video. And guys, go ahead and try this out. It's literally still free. Once you run out of credit, create a new account and keep generating. Go ahead and try this first platform. Let me know in the comment section of this video. The second platform we'll be looking at in this video is this platform. The next one is going to be Wizstar AI. Please take note of the spelling and the logo. If you click the wrong one, you get no result. Okay, you get the wrong result and you might enter into the wrong interface. All right, so let's go ahead and click here and you're going to see this amazing interface that is going to pop up like this. And I can see you're going to go ahead. If you're using a mobile phone, very simple, you're going to try and translate. Okay, you see, choose another language. Always translate a Chinese simplified. Never translate Chinese simplified. Never translate this side. So I'm going to say always translate, okay, so that I can understand it in English language. All right. So without much of this page could not be translated, so go ahead and try again. So if you see it in another language, okay, make sure it is set to English language for you who don't understand Chinese. When you go down, you see 0 credit. Now let's log in, okay. The moment to log into this platform, this is what the interface is going to look like. You're going to select your email. Okay, you can register, right? Register if you don't have an account. Use your email. I prefer using Gmail. Please tick the box, okay? I have agreed. Always tick that box because without that, this will not open up, okay? Go ahead and open this up. And of course, let's see what we can do with this platform. And let's see the available tools on this platform together. So guys, are you getting excited already? like the video, smash the subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the post notifications so you don't miss my next upload. Close this. Awesome. So you see, you are given 300 free credit. Use this while it lasts. Now this platform gives 300 free credit. This is enough for us to start creating using this platform. I will show you a trick you can use to keep creating using this platform. That is, if you love the quality on this platform. So guys, let's proceed. So having given us 300 free credit, right? You're going to go ahead and click on tools. Let's explore the tools. Now look at the tool. We have video reference, video generator, because that's why we are here. Click on that video generator and you're going to see this image to video, and we have text to video. So let's see what happens image to video. So let's bring up our image. Okay, so guys, I gave a simple prompt and I brought in my image, okay, and I moved down here to select my preferred. Okay, this is tick, so ignore this. Now brings Omni, we have Seedance 2.0, right? Then we also have Seedance 1.5. So let's see what is going to happen. Now this is going to cost us 90 credits to generate. You can see that 90 credits. Let's see Seedance 1.5. 1.5 costs us 65 credits to generate. Let's see Omni. Omni cost us 40 credits. Clean 3.0 Omni costs us 40 credits. So you are the one to decide which one should you settle for. So if you are looking for Seedance, which is the high and a powerful model, you can click on here and use 90 credits. Once I'm done, remember this is 720p. So if you reduce this to 480p, the credit generation will reduce. So depending on your script, you can utilize this platform. And of course, let's increase this 5 seconds. Look at it, 5 seconds. 5 seconds generates 66 credit, uses 66 credit, okay, to generate. So we are using just one output because we don't want to waste credit. So without much ado, guys, we are going to go ahead and hit generate when everything has been set. So let's see the quality on this platform. All right, so immediately this video will start analyzing and generating. We are estimated wait time is 5 minutes, and you can even wait even lesser than that sometimes. Let's watch the output of this video. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section of this video. Guys, I still have more tools I'll be bringing up your way.
This is incredibly insane. Start using this.
So I'll be bringing up more tools. I have a lot of them and they are still free and unlimited as at the moment. Sit tight and let's keep exploring together. Remember, I'm still doing my research and you'll be the first to get notified. With this, go ahead and hit this download button and it will download with the watermark. And I'm going to leave the video on how you can remove watermark from any video, okay, in the description of this video. So go ahead and watch that video and remove watermark on any type of video. Awesome. Now the next is text to video. Right? You're going to copy your text, write your prompts, make it to be up to the number that is accepted on this platform, and do your necessary setup. Of course, the normal adjustment to your own text. Okay, once you are done, hit generate. And guys, I want to see the quality of video generated using this text to video. Now watch this.
Everyone believed the throne my destiny, but destiny has never asked what I've desired.
The entire 1K stands against you.
Your kindness has betrayed.
Now you can see the quality of text to video. Guys, this is amazing. Jump on this while it is still giving this 300 free credit and start using. So you will not come to the comment section and say that it is not working. Guys, it is working, and you can see that I'm using this to generate. This is not a promotional video. I'm just doing my own research to bring up to you new tools that I lay my hands on. Thank you, and guys, stick around for more tools. See you in the next one.